Okay, we're here and I'm going to show you how to make a machine gun. Now, you see here? I got the basic form. This loops round, so when this hits this and turns it off, it'll make it shoot as many arrows as it can. It'll go with any kind of signal, and you go off, and it'll just keep on shooting arrows. Now, I was going to show you how to make it. It's pretty simple. You basically get... God
It's
damn.
out.
I'm going to turn this on. Then you basically get a piston, get a red block.
It's called a redstone block.
I know. And then make it loop around. Now, make it have a curve. And this is the basic signal right here. So you can turn it on with a button or a pressure pad, anything. So I'm just going to do a regular block. That'll cut it. It'll start looping back and around and it'll shoot as many arrows as you want. Well, that is how to make a machine gun. It works the same way with flamethrowers. See you next video.